Hi, I'm Skylar Nari, and today I'll be teaching you about what the MIT App Inventor is and what the MIT App Inventor can do. This is part one for my tutorial. Okay, so we're in here and we're going to type in the MIT App Inventor, where it is going to pull up the MIT App Inventor. So, let's get started. Online App Inventor, online tool. Once you open this up, I'll sign in, continue. Alright, this is from the MIT App Inventor. And then this is the user interface where you can click and drag, which is very easy. You can also change some stuff on the sides, like the font size, let's say like 25. And you can make the color, background color blue, font bold, shape, oval, and then it's going to be able to be pressed. And then you can also add screens, like another screen, so that it can switch to a different screen. So then you go to screen 1, and then you add another button, which then you can also do some stuff with these buttons, like you can also add layouts. For example, putting stuff in the layout, and you can move these around. And then you also got some switches, which are just switches. You can interact with these. And then text boxes, where you can type uh, type stuff and then do some stuff in the thing. And check boxes, which are just check boxes. You can do some stuff. Then you also got media, like camera, which can be used. Drawings, you can also draw with them. And you got maps, so you can put some maps, charts, data science, sensors. You can put sensor stuff. There's also some other stuff down here, which are experimental stuff. And then you can go to the second screen, the first screen. You can also search for components. And then once you're done with that, my projects, it's gonna save here. You can click here to access it. And once you can also connect with a USB or internet connection. USB. There's a companion, which is the internet way, where you can find this link and then access the website.